Hi everyone. Welcome to the Tech World YouTube channel. So today we'll see how we can create the AI video using the Leonardo.ai and the Pixverse.ai. So first you have to go to the website called as Leonardo.ai website. So once the website is open, before that you have to sign up to that website. So you have to click on the image option there, and it will take some time to load. So here you can create any AI image. It's a free, taking some more time. Okay, so now you have to give the prompt. Okay, once the site is open, you have to enter the prompt, and once you enter the prompt based on your requirement, like any AI image you want to create, like it's related to the cat or any form of AI video if you want to create or image if you want to create, you can create it here. So now I will create the AI image of an cute cat dancing. So once the prompt is given, you have to click on the generate option there. So once you click on the generate option, you will able to see some of the AI images got created. Okay. So now you have to download any one of the AI videos. I will download this third one. So as soon as it is downloaded, you can check it in the downloads. And next you have to go to the website that is pixverse.ai. So there you should, before creating any video, you have to first sign up to the account. Okay. Then you have to click on the video option there at the left side, and it's a free of cost for certain amount of videos where you can create there, and then you'll have to upload there the image which you created from the Leonardo.ai and give the prompt there. Any prompt you can give there related to the cat, and once the prompt is created, you have to click on create. So it will not take much time to create because as soon as you enter the prompt and click on create option, it gets generated soon. And once you click on create, you can see the video getting created there. So once the video got created, you can just download that. Okay. So once it's downloaded, you can check in the downloads that our video is ready. And so this is how you can create any AI video using the Pixverse and Leonardo.ai video. So there is a watermark you can see in the image. So if you want to remove that watermark, you have to go for the extra subscription, paid subscription it is. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.